This is the freight elevator at Cube Smart Self-Storage, formerly Sears, in Wilkins Township, at Penn Center in Wilkins Township, Pennsylvania. This is probably originally an old Otis black button, but sadly it was modernized by Hadfield with Innovation Universal. Let's open it up. Power Peelle doors. That yellow 18 operator sign is original from Sears probably. At least Sears used that a lot. That's a door alarm / emergency alarm for if it's been left open. Basement. Here's the basement. Go back up to one. Here we go back up. It's an elevator 1, but they wrote 2 on it because they put the wrong thing on it. It's a basic, big, wide, old Otis cab. LED lighting. It used to be a fluorescent light there, but now they put 2 LED strips there. Fan does not work, looks newer. I was hoping this would be original just with the new controller because that's what it says for the alteration of rotors, but now it has new buttons too. Let's close it up. It closes and that's going to be it.